Hello, viewers. Welcome. Let's look at this question 12a, WASSCE NOV-DEC 2024. In a triangle ABC, the length of AB is 15 centimeter, that of BC is 18, and AC is 5 centimeters. D and E are points on the length of AB and that of AC respectively, such that the length of AD is 9 centimeter and the length of DE is parallel to the length of BC. We have to illustrate the information on the diagram and find DE and EC. So let's make a sketch of what the diagram will look like. Alright, so the diagram may look like this. We are having ABC, AB being 15 centimeter. We have it there. BC being 18 centimeter and AC being 5 centimeter. Mind you, this is not drawn to scale. So after drawing, I realized the 5 centimeter is even longer than what? 15, but it is not drawn to scale. So let's hold that thought. Then D and E are on AB. So AB is D. Then E is going to be AC. AC, E. Then AD is 9. So if AD is 9, then AB is 15. The remaining part will be what? 6. So this is what is going to give us. Now this being parallel to this simply means we can easily get what we call similar triangle. So from triangle ADE, this length is going to be corresponding to this length. Then AC will also correspond to AE. AD correspond to AB in that regard. So we can pick it from the top, picking the bigger triangle. We are looking for DE. Where is this? DE. This is what I'm looking for. So I can say that since triangle ABC and ADE are similar, I can have the length of DE divided by, this is on the smaller triangle, this length divided by 18 centimeter should be equals to 9 divided by 15. Look at it. I began with the smaller triangle, the length that is parallel here, this length divided by the longer one. Therefore, if I'm coming to the left side, the smaller one divided by the longer one. So we can do cross multiplication here in terms of ratio. So let's move it in this direction. I should be having 15 times DE equals to 9 times what? 18. You know we can divide by 15. 15. The length of DE will be, okay, when you multiply 9 by 18, we have 162 divided by 15. That will give us 10.8 centimeters. So the length we are looking for in this place, this is just going to be 10.8 centimeters, right? Now the next is to find EC. EC, that is the M here. This is not a part of any of the two triangles we described. So this is going to be part of the longer side, which is all the way from here, A to C, then A to E. If I know this M here, I've known this M here. So we can use that side to also find that. So let's say we are dealing with question II. Also, we are going to have, let's begin with the shorter side, which is 5 minus M. We are dealing with here. So divided by the longer side, 5 equals to, let's pick one of these known faces. So I am going to use 9, then 15. Meaning I am using horizontal and the slant side. corresponding sides, right? So smaller side of the smaller triangle divided by the bigger side, all in the horizontal, equals to the ratio of the smaller side divided by what? The horizontal. I guess that will also give us the same value. So now we cross multiply and see what that value is going to give us. So here, let's see. We are going to have 5 going there. So 5 times 9, 45 equals to 15 will multiply 5 minus m. So our 45 will still be here. 15 times 5 will be 75 minus 15m as we multiply. So we know this can be transposed to become positive 15m equals to 75 minus 45. So 15m should be giving us 30 divided by the coefficient. M will be equals to what? I think that will be 2. So therefore, the length of EC will be 2 centimeters. Alright, I guess this concept is also well understood by similar triangle. So look through and see where you find difficulties and share that in the comment section whether we can be able to work together. Like, share, subscribe, and bye-bye.